I'm here to share my review on a grounding mat. Now, I did purchase the king size as I wasn't sure. We have a queen size bed, so just to kind of show you how it wraps around each side. But it does have elastic straps that do tighten, and the tighten straps are on the other side. It does come with this little cable, so you can snap it onto either one of these grounding rods. It has this extending cable, and then I actually have it just plugged into a extending cord into the grounding port. And so you get this cord with it, and then you're supposed to put the shiny side up, whereas the other side is more of a dull. And I did sleep on it last night, and I'll show you my sleep results. I actually got more REM sleep than I've ever gotten, and I did wake up with less achiness. And then here's how much it hung over on the other side. So we're going to give this a couple more days try, and I will share my results after this video. Then another way that you can use this grounding mat, and again, I have the king size, is you could actually just lay it down the length of your bed. As my husband discovered, he doesn't care for it. He really enjoys the softness of his mattress, and he feels like this interferes with that. But for me, I absolutely love it, and wait until you see my sleep results as far as REM sleep. So I just wanted to show you this other variation, and then don't forget with your pen that you can take it and test your mat to make sure that it is grounded.